All right, Timmy and Kat are at the arcade. The graph shows each person's quarters over time. Okay, first thing we want to do is we want to fill in our charts. Okay, so we have quarters over time, so our independent variable is going to be time on both of these, with our dependent being money. Specifically, it's going to be quarters. Okay, with time being in minutes. So we want to make sure we fill those in. So let's focus on one person at a time. Let's look at Timmy. Okay, so we're gonna say Timmy is in red, and we are going to say Kat is in green. So if we want to fill in this chart, at 0 minutes, how many quarters does Timmy have? He has 40 quarters. At 4 minutes, he has 30 quarters. And at 14 minutes, remember he's red again, he's down to 5. Whereas Kat at 0 minutes would have 30. By the way, I'm sorry, I should have said blue. Apparently I don't know my colors because she's in blue. And I said green. At 4 minutes, we're at 25. And then at 14 minutes, we are at, we'll say, approximately 13 quarters there. Okay, that's just a guess. So it says, find and explain the meaning of. So in this situation, our two y-intercepts are going to be 40 and 30. So Timmy's y-intercept is 40, which means he starts with 40 quarters, whereas Kat's y-intercept is going to be at 30, which means starting with 30 quarters. Their x-intercepts are over here. So we see that Timmy's x-intercept is at the point 16, okay, which means 16, it took him 16 minutes to spend all quarters. Whereas we can see with Kat, her x-intercept's at 24, meaning it took her 24 minutes to spend all her quarters. Now, the last thing to look at is their point of intersection, which is at the point 8, 20. Okay, what does that mean for a point of intersection? So I'm going to write up here point of intersection. And what that means is after 8 minutes, both have 20 quarters left.